Right, Bill, first card. I think this is mine straight away. Maybe my shot and passing should be a bit higher.
48 shooting.
It's a midfielder.
It's all.
Blows.
Do you reckon it's 71 pace? But he pulls a caravan when he's running, by the way. This one cannot be you.
No, it's not me.
It can't be you.
Yeah, so it's you, yeah?
I think so. Yeah.
That is shambles, that is.
71 pace.
All right, boys.
What? Ooh, 71 pace. No way. I'm not having it. I'm not having that. Right, who are we going for this? It's clearly got to be a striker.
Yeah.
Because 29 defending, that can't be my card, I'm afraid.
I think it's Jeps.
Maybe Jeps.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that photo, mate.
I think I'd personally give myself 80 pace.
That 77 is probably a bit high for you. Right, on to the next one. 58 pace. Oh, he's towing a truck. Whoever this is towing a bus.
This could be you with the shooting.
30 full passing now, have a day off.
Gotta be a defender with that. Yeah.
I'll go for Billy, yeah.
I'd say Billy as well.
Yeah.
For you, is it?
Yeah, it's me. Yeah.
Why are you laughing at every picture?
If his dribbling's 41, his passing's got to be higher.
Cheers, boys.
Right, next. Oh, someone's going to be annoyed with this
Someone's
as well.
getting upset with this.
Yeah.
I think it's a centre half.
Oh, you're coming for me now? God, mate, if that's me, mate, they've done me over now.
I think it's pretty accurate.
I think this is either Ashley or Coops. It's between the two.
I'm saying Coops.
Coops.
I'll go for Coops.
33 shooting is you?
No. Wow. Mate, you can't give me 39 passing.
I think it's a bit harsh, I'm not gonna
This
lie.
is very harsh.
Okay, what's this then?
I'm saying going defender again, or it's a midfielder. Defensive midfielder.
I'm going with you there.
You
Yeah.
think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon it's me.
Is that a yellow top?
Yeah.
Probably Terry.
Good dribbler, good passing.
Flying. 63.
Rapid.
Yeah.
Maybe take a bit off the pace and put it onto the pass.
That's generous. If Coops is 50, that's generous,
Yeah,
but I'll take it. I'm
definitely.
not complaining about that. It's decent.
No.
That could be the best card I've seen yet, all rounded, to be fair.
Is that not you?
See, I like that. Best card in so, isn't it?
Quicker than you. Better pass than you. Better dribbler.
That's not you, then.
Oh, I told you it was you.
That's me.
I told you it was you.
I have been shafted at 57 now, by the way. The pace, high 70s minimum.
Passing and shooting are about right.
Right, last but not least, what we got?
83 dribbling. That can't be one of ours.
That's the best card we've seen, no? It's gotta be.
Yeah.
66.
It's gotta be me. Could be me, you know.
Alright, yeah, that FIFA card you haven't got.
Yeah. I'm gonna say Sean.
Sean, yeah?
I'm saying it's Sean Spence.
Sean Spence.
I'd say that's Ramsey or something, mate. It's got to be someone for the pressing.
Yeah.
Ramsey, mate. See, we've just compared Sean Spence to
It's a
Ramsey there.
Ramsey.
But that's the biggest compliment I think we could give Sean.
Yeah. Sean's out of the world, yeah.
Yeah.